Good morning, guys. Welcome to your spring semester review 2021. All right, this is going to be your semester test review. So let's watch it. I'm going to go page by page, and that way you guys will have these pages, okay? So this one is page 1. This is over matrix. This is unit 3, I believe. All right. So remember, it is rows that goes across by column. So if you look at dimensions, dimension is the size of your matrix. Matrix A, so we're talking about this matrix right here. Your dimension is 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 rows by 3 columns. 1, 2, 3. So 4 by 3. And that's all you have to write. Okay? In matrix B, it is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows by 2 columns. In matrix C, it is 2 rows by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. So it's a 2 by 5. Matrix D is a 2 by 2. All right, those are called your dimensions. That's just the size of the matrix. Your entries is the location, the name of who lives there. So for example, so if you look at matrix A, so here's A. This is your row, and this tells you your column. Okay, so we're going to look at matrix A right here. What entry, who or what number is located at the first row? So first row, third column, so 1, 2, 3, and that number is 3. That's this one right here. B, so I'm going to look at matrix B, second row, so it's either 15 or 16. First column, and that number is 15. That's who is located there. C, so I'm going to look at matrix C, third row, first column. Now, 1, 2, do you have a third row? No, so you can just write NA for not applicable. Matrix D, so here's my D. First row, so it's got to be one of these two. Second column, 1, 2, so that number will be 32. And that's your entries, okay? All right. Address. Address is the location. So what is the address of number 5? Well, number 5 is right here. It's located in the A matrix, second row, second column, second row, second column. Okay. Number 13, I have 13 right here. 13 is located in matrix B. It's in the first row, first column. 29, there's 29. 29 is located in matrix C. It's on the second row. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth column. Okay, so C to 4. 31 is in D, and it's in the first row, first column. And those are your dimensions, the entries, and the address. These, oops, my apologies, these are all separate, okay? So they don't go together. You're not reading it across or anything. Each one of these are separate. All right. Now let's perform the given operations. Write undefined for any expressions that cannot be simplified. This part here is strictly straight calculator. So there's many ways you can do this. Here's one way. You can do alpha zoom and do the matrix instead. And then like this one, this is a 3 by 3, so you would go third row, 3 rows, 3 columns, and then you can enter that information. That's up to you. You can do it like that, or you can do it this way as well. I'm going to second quick get out of it. Okay. You can hit matrix. It's in blue, so second matrix. You can go to edit and enter it. So this one, see how it says matrix A already? This is a 3 by 3. I like to do it this way. Oops. Let me go back real quick. 3. Now, when you do this, type enter and not right click. The other way, you right click. And I notice I'm putting all of my entries in. Okay? Double check to make sure it's correct. And so you see how you have all your numbers correct? Good. All right. Now let's go to second matrix. We're going to edit. We're going to go to B. and I'm going to put enter, and I'm going to put in the B matrix. This one is a 4 by 2, so I'm going to put 4 by 2, and I'm going to enter my entries. Okay, just like that. All right, second matrix, go to edit. I'm going to go down to C. I'm going to put in C. I would rather do it this way, but you can also do alpha zoom. So I'm going to put 15, negative 22, negative 267. Okay, double check your numbers, make sure they're correct, because one wrong number will change some part of your answers. Second matrix, right click to edit. I'm going to go to 4, which is D. And see how it says D, it tells you what matrix you're putting in. And that one is a 2 by 2, so 9, 1, negative 1, negative 10. Okay? Second matrix, I'm going to go to E, which is number 5. Oops, I didn't get out of that. Clear. Okay, second matrix, edit. Number 5. E, see how it says E? This is a 4 by 2, so I'm going to put in a 4 by 2. 3, 14, 6, 6, 7, negative 18, 12, and 2. Make sure your numbers are correct. Now to get out of it, you see how quit is in blue? Here's quit right here. So second quit gets you out of it. Okay. So this one has C minus D. So I will hit second matrix. Do you see how I have all of these done already? I'm going to click C, which is number 3, minus second matrix D, number 4. I would do it like that. And so there you have that answer, which is 6, negative 23, negative 25, 17. Okay. Now notice I read in the order by rows, left to right. All right, next one is A plus B. So I have all that done. So I'm going to hit second matrix, grab A, which is number 1, plus B, second matrix, B is number 2. It says it's mismatched, dimension not the same, so this one is undefined. Okay, you don't have an answer, you can't add them together because A and B do not have the same dimension. Second quit. 3, second matrix, A. See how it says 3 times A? And the solution for that one is negative 3, 36, 48, 42, 15, negative 24, negative 21, negative 24, and 33. So the matrix is a way to organize information. All right. Let's go to the next one. 1/3, which is the same as 1 divided by 3. Second matrix, D. D is number 4. Okay. Now see how it gives you decimals? I like mine in fractions so I can see all my numbers. So hit math, fraction, which is number 1, enter, enter. Those are better answers than all the decimals, okay? And they're more exact. So 3 1/3, negative 1/3, negative 10 over 3. And there you have your operations for matrix. I will be back for the second page. Thank you.